We are a 127-year-old manufacturing company. Our brand has always stood for loyalty and trust, and that's what I would like to project in our customer experience as well. How can we provide consistency and connectedness across the various touch points of our customers with our organization? We digitize various touch points of our customers, but that's still disjoint digitization. So the touch points were not really connected together. We were not able to get the benefit of the synergy between marketing, sales and services. Salesforce, I see, is a very critical cog in our customer centricity program. Salesforce digitizes and in a consistent way connects all the journey touch points of a customer with our organization. With Salesforce.com, we have adopted a one CRM approach towards this diverse setup. Sales Cloud, it has bridged the journey from a lead converting all the way to a sales order. Sales Cloud has very easily integrated with our ERP, but more importantly, it has unlocked a lot of productivity benefits amongst our entire organization that revolves around the selling process to our customers. With Einstein Analytics, we have looked at the probability of conversion of a lead for one of our businesses, B2B businesses, where we have hit around 80% probability in conversion from lead to an actual sale. Additionally, we are able to see sales in the process to a customer and identify that customer as a customer to Godrej Boyce group rather than a single business unit. We are able to look at what other opportunities are being pursued with a specific customer, what other sales have happened historically across different BUs. He is treated as one customer across all our businesses. We have cleared the blind spots thanks to Salesforce.com. So the customer is able to see us as a connected, consistent experience provider. The results are very promising. And our first connect coming down from 24 hours on an average to 2 hours average today. There is much more to go, and when we do the interconnected sales, marketing, service cloud, look at combined analytics on top of the customer data platform, I think that is where the true value of what we are building will come out, and I'm really waiting to see that.